big news where International Criminal Court indicts Netanyahu. In fact, arrest warrant against the Prime Minister and ex-defense minister. Let's also tell you the charges over here: crimes against humanity and war crimes, and US-Israel reprimand ICC's warrant. Netanyahu terms warrant antisemitic, while of course Biden rejects the warrant by saying, or rather terming it outrageous. Let's listen into what Netanyahu had to say, and then I'll take that across to Rishabh.
The anti-Semitic decision of the International Court in The Hague is a modern Dreyfus trial, and it will end the same way. By biased judges who are motivated by anti-Semitic sentiments against the one and only Jewish state. These judges did nothing. They did nothing against the real war crimes. They issued an arrest warrant against the corpse of the Hamas arch-terrorist Mohammed Dev. His corpse. What an absurdity. No biased anti-Israel decision in The Hague will prevent the state of Israel from defending its citizens. Israel will not recognize the validity of this decision. We will continue to do everything we must do to defend our citizens and defend our state against Iran's axis of terror. Iran and its terrorist proxies, which include Hamas, Hezbollah, the Houthis, and others.
Rishabh, we heard what Netanyahu had to say, and more importantly, seeming like a stern message as well. But given the development so far, what more can you tell us as to how this could essentially pan out as well?
Well, when we talk about the International Criminal Court, remember, not all the countries are signatory to International Criminal Court. And remember, last year around, a similar arrest warrant was also issued against Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia. The way things have happened, we have seen that even South Africa, even after becoming a signatory, even though they are signatory to the ICC, they said that if Vladimir Putin travels to South Africa for the BRICS summit earlier this year, they would not initiate any proceedings against him as per the ICC manual. And that showcases that how fragile, or for that matter, how superfluous the whole ICC arrest warrant is. All the countries, or for that matter, people who have been issued arrest warrant against, they do understand that what country is signatory to it and what countries are not signatory to it. Again, the countries who are signatory to ICC are sovereigns, and they reserve the right to imply ICC ruling or not. So this won't have much of impact on ground. Yes, it has given teeth to anti-Israel forces, or for that matter anti-Netanyahu forces, but definitely it's more of a lip service, more of a talking point in a debate. On ground, it won't have that much of impact, and we have seen that in case of Russia as well, that ICC orders hasn't been implemented that well on ground. Though, if we talk about the letter and spirit of ICC, any signatory country will have to arrest the person of interest, which is Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Even if he is crossing the airspace of a signatory country, his flight can be forced to land and he can be arrested. But all this on papers, on ground, not much is going to change.